What a week for the precious metals and mining stocks. Thursday was an outstanding day for gold and silver prices as measured against the plunging dollar, and Friday blew the doors off. In fact, gold hit a high not seen since January 2015, closing at $1,293 on Friday. And silver has really taken off. It reached $17.95, up from $13.90 since the start of the year, for a gain of 29% in just the last 4 months. Our investment positioning is influenced heavily by Shemitah and Jubilee year analysis. Last year in a video, book, white paper, and numerous articles, I explained the destructive 7-year cycle of Shemitah. From studying past Shemitahs, I learned they were marked by economic and social-political turbulence. By acting on this knowledge, we were able to anticipate the August 2015 market crash, where we netted subscribers 4,500% in just 3 days. And then the even deeper downturns of early 2016. As our successes became known, we received thousands of additional TDV newsletter subscribers. I appeared on radio and TV programs worldwide, including Press TV just yesterday. My Shemitah analysis led me to the even more disastrous consequences, if you aren't prepared, of Jubilee 2016, ongoing right now. In March, I created a video about the Jubilee 2016 that you can see at surviveshemitah.com. You can also see a free white paper summarizing the destructive ramifications of Jubilee at surviveshemitah.com. It provides important insights into how to protect yourself. Because of our Jubilee analysis, we were well aware of what was going to be happening with gold and silver. Here's an excerpt from the white paper. We recommend everyone own a significant portion of their assets in precious metals. While we suggest you hold a significant portion of them in your own holdings, within your own physical reach, we also suggest internationalizing them and holding them in a different political jurisdiction to spread risk of confiscation. In the white paper, we focused on mining shares as well, saying, for speculative purposes, owning shares in gold and silver miners could be the home run of the century, as when precious metals prices begin to skyrocket, the value of the mining company's shares will rise exponentially. In the last 2 major gold-silver stock bull markets in the 1930s and 1970s, gains of 10,000% plus were commonplace. And those gains have already begun to occur. Jubilee analysis shows us, and as we've been covering in our blogs, newsletter, and alerts, 2016 is part of a major turning point. Things are changing. That's our Jubilee advantage. We understand where markets are heading before they get there. We've already made ridiculously massive gains. But here's the crazy part. If we're right, this is just the beginning. For instance, the Dollar Vigilante's senior analyst Ed Bugos recently predicted in an alert to subscribers that the Bank of Japan would not continue to ease. This was heresy to almost everyone else. The entire market thought it was a given that they would ease. But his prediction was fulfilled last week when the Bank of Japan announced it would leave rates unchanged, sending the dollar plunging and shocking the markets worldwide. But we weren't shocked. Ed's recently purchased yen currency options climbed fast, netting our TDV portfolio significant gains. Just on Friday alone, they were up 100% in 1 day. Another triple-digit gain. I'm starting to lose count. Ed sent out an alert on Thursday advising subscribers to begin to take profits on his incredible nugget trade. But the position advanced from a 603% gain to a 1,000% gain before most could even have acted. And here are just a few more recent trades. Ed's silver calls are up over 50%. A series of junior mining investments are up at least 400%. And the mining pick we just issued on Friday is already up 50%. Once again, subscribers are pouring in. Also grateful emails, posts, and tweets. Here's the latest sampling from our private subscribers-only Facebook group. As you can see, one of our subscribers is up 250%, and another subscriber paid off 90% of his debts with his profits. And these are just 2 of many fortunate subscribers. Of course, we're not done yet. Ed's most exciting investment, as I mentioned earlier, is one we just announced on Friday. It's a hugely undervalued but very important junior miner with 5,000% plus potential that only Ed Bugos could find. You won't hear about it here though. It's for subscribers only. We're committed to the stock long term, but since Ed announced his position, the stock has already moved up some 50%. When Ed Bugos talks, people listen and act. He's been an icon in the mining analysis business since the 1990s. It's actually an honor that we have access to someone of his stature's analysis and recommendations. He normally only works privately for billionaires, but he long ago made a commitment to the Dollar Vigilante because he believes in the mission and the Dollar Vigilante's plan to expose the entire globalist, tyrannical financial system while profiting in the process. Jubilee 2016 is providing us a pathway to profits, even though its larger message is distressing. And it won't end this year either, although we think the world is going to look dramatically different by the end of this year. We hope you'll join us for the ride. It's already been incredibly profitable, and it's just getting started. This is a critical time in human history, but together we will survive and thrive.